In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download project from Emergent AI. We'll walk through how to access your project inside Emergent AI and download the files directly to your computer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to handle the common prompts that can pop up during the process. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Emergent AI website. Make sure you're signed into the account and workspace that holds the project you want. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top navigation bar and click the code option. This takes you to the area where Emergent AI provides access to the coding environment for your project. Here, you have two equivalent ways to get into the environment. If you prefer to manage the connection details yourself, copy the link that's shown and also copy the associated password. Keep both of these private since they grant access to your environment. Alternatively, to keep things simple, you can just click Open in Browser. This automatically launches a web-based editor, typically a familiar interface similar to VS Code, without needing to paste anything. When the editor loads, look to the File Explorer on the left. Find the file or folder you want to take down to your computer. Right-click it to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Download. Your browser will prompt you to pick a location on your computer. Select the destination folder where you want to save the item. If you're downloading a folder, some environments will package it into a single archive, like a zip file, so it's easier to transfer. That's normal, and you can extract it locally afterward. During this process, you may see prompts from the website or your browser, things like requests to keep the session active or to allow downloads. Go ahead and allow those so the transfer can proceed. If you're using strict pop-up or download blockers, temporarily disable them for this site to avoid interruptions. After you confirm the download, give it a moment to prepare and transfer. Larger projects can take a bit longer, especially if they're being compressed first. Keep the browser tab open and avoid navigating away until the download begins. Once it starts, you should see the progress indicator in your browser, and the file will appear in your chosen folder when it's done. That's it. You've opened the project in Emergent AI, accessed the code environment, right-clicked the item you needed, selected download, handled any prompts, and waited for the transfer to complete. If anything stalls, refresh the page and reopen in the browser, then try again.